Hey buddy. Come closer. I know why you clicked this video. You are in that phase again, aren't you? The one where you decide you are going to get on track, so you cut carbs, cut sugar, cut the joy of living, and by day 3 you are thinking about biting the table leg because you were so hungry. I know you. I have been you. We think losing weight has to mean suffering like it is some penance for that last slice of pizza you ate in 2018. Well, welcome to WellnessBoard, where we draw things out because apparently speaking the obvious just isn't working. Today I am going to give you 10 real tips. No eat birdseed and drink moonlight water nonsense. Just real ways to lose that gut without starving. Because honestly, nobody likes hungry people. Hungry people are annoying. So grab your imaginary pen and let us doodle. And hey, comment below right now, what was the craziest diet that left you starving? I will start. I once did a soup diet that tasted like dishwater. Tip number 1, and I am drawing this extra large because you always forget. Water, you creature. Half the time you think you are hungry, your body is just screaming, I am dry, give me a drink. You are dehydrated, not famished. Before raiding the fridge, drink a huge glass of water and wait 10 minutes. It is an economic miracle. Tips 2 and 3 I am sending together because they are like the Batman and Robin of fullness. Protein and fiber. Stop eating just bread and butter in the morning and thinking you will last until lunch. You won't. Protein like eggs or chicken and fiber like oats or veggies are the bricks that build a wall in your stomach. They take time to digest. If you do not put bricks in, the wall falls and hunger gets in. Simple as that. Now it gets interesting. Tip 4. Sleep, for the love of God. Oh bore, but I am so busy, you say. No, you are just tired. When you sleep poorly, your hunger hormones throw a rave in your brain. You turn into a zombie that only wants sugar and fat just to stay upright. Sleeping actually makes you lose weight. Seriously. Tip 5. Stop eating like an industrial vacuum cleaner. Chew the food. Your brain takes about 20 minutes to get the email from your stomach saying, hey, that is enough, you can stop. If you eat in 5 minutes, you swallow twice what you actually needed before the email even arrives. Put the fork down between bites. Breathe. It is food, not a race. And tip 6. This one hurts a lot of people. Watch out for liquid calories. That little gourmet coffee that has more cream, caramel, and sugar than actual coffee. It is a bomb. That healthy boxed juice. It is pure sugar. You drink 500 calories in 2 minutes and your body does not even register that food came in. It is the perfect scam. Which of these hit home for you so far? I am guilty of the gourmet coffee one, I admit it. Tell me in the comments who else is a victim of the caloric coffee. Let us get to the dirty tricks. Tip 7. Volume is everything. You can eat a tiny chocolate that has 300 calories, or you can eat a giant bowl of salad with chicken and veggies that has the same 300 calories. Which one will fill you up more? Learn to trick your stomach with food that takes up space but has low calories. Vegetables are your best friends here. Fill the plate with greens before putting anything else on it. Tip 8. Do not forbid anything. Seriously. The moment you say, I am never eating chocolate again, your brain hears, my life mission is now to get chocolate. It is the forbidden fruit effect. If you forbid it, you generate a binge. When you finally break the diet, you won't eat one piece, you will eat the whole box and lick the wrapper. Allow yourself a little bit with control so you do not turn into a monster later. Tip 9. Move more besides just the gym. It is no use killing yourself for 1 hour at CrossFit and spending the other 23 hours sitting in a gaming chair or on the couch. What really burns calories is what you do all day. Taking the stairs, cleaning the house, walking while talking on the phone. The fancy name for this is NEAT. The real name is stop being lazy. And tip number 10. The most important and the most annoying one. Patience, my young grasshopper. You did not gain 20 pounds in a week, so do not expect to lose 20 pounds in a week without cutting off an arm. Losing weight without starving is a slow process. It is about changing how you live, not about doing a diet for 30 days. If it goes too fast, you are losing muscle and water, and you will gain it all back at the first pizza buffet you see. Consistency beats intensity every single time. Look at this board. There is no magic here. Just common sense. Stop looking for shortcuts and start doing the basics well. Now, if you want some extra help to speed up this process. No miracles, but actual useful tools. I scouted some deals on supplements and guides that I actually trust. But hey, real talk as a friend. I managed to get some links with discounts, but the people there told me it is limited. Like very limited. So I left the links in the description only for the first 50 people who are quick on the trigger. If you click and it is gone, well, that is what happens when you overthink things. Opportunity does not wait for anyone sitting on the couch. Check it out down there right now. Take care, eat your protein, drink your water, and stop suffering for nothing. I am out.